హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు రెయిన్బో ఏంజల్స్. ఎలా ఉన్నారు? బాగున్నారా అండి? మా ఛానల్ని ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తున్న వాళ్ళు ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. మా వీడియో నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ షేర్ చేయండి.
Hi friends, today I'm going to show you 4 types of friendship bands at home. Let's start. Take pink wool like this and cut it into like this. Now in shops we can find like a bow, and we have to insert the wool like this. First insert this right here and add a knot here, and do the same for this side too. Like this you have to insert it. Now at shops you can find like these petals, and you have to insert these petals like this. You have to keep it. Now you can find like these flowers in the shop, and you have to insert them. Now add 2 knots like this. That's it guys, friendship band is ready. Now I'm going to show you another one. For the second friendship band you need to have these are available in the shop. So first insert these two with using help of the pin. Now insert this like this. Next insert this. Then insert the rest. So now remove the pin. Now add a knot here. The next friendship band is ready. Now I'm going to show you another one. So the next one, take these. These are also available in the shop. So first insert this color one and this yellow one. Now insert this green one. After inserting these three, insert a white parrot. Then insert this friendship one. Now repeat the same. Now remove the needle. Another friendship band is ready. Now I'm going to show you another one. So now I'm going to show you how to make a friendship band using wool and rubber band. So first take the wool and surround it in your hand like this. Now remove this and add a knot right here and cut it these two sides, and you will make a flower like this. Now sharpen it by cutting it. Now take the rubber band and keep it here and add a knot. Add a knot like this and now cut it. Now our friendship band is ready. Friendship band is ready. That's it guys, easy friendship bands are ready. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the notification bell. Bye.